Welcome Tiger families in District 401. We're going to take you on a little bit of a virtual tour, and you're going to have to do a little bit of imagination here to see what the end product will be. Over the course of this spring break, throughout the summer and into the fall, we're going to be doing a major renovation to our LGI, our large group instructional area, as well as our library. So I'm going to take you on a little bit of an imaginary tour here. You'll see some images as well of what the renderings will look like and the finished product will look like. But as we're in the area of the main athletic hallway and the district entryway by door 3, if you kind of pan over here to my left, you'll see a wall that will come up during spring break. There'll be a giant construction wall that will go all the way around and wrap around the LGI. And the idea will be during spring break and after spring break until construction is completed, we're going to have a large temporary dividing area where all the construction is going to go on inside of the LGI and inside of that construction wall, and we're going to be able to continue to do school and do all of our regular functions in here. So once the project is finished, you're going to come over here, and this is going to be the new entry to the district office. So district office is going to be a nice open glass window entryway right here. There'll be 10 new offices in the district office area. In addition, somewhere right around this area as we walk up these stairs, there'll be a couple entrances to various offices in the district level. There'll also be a single-use bathroom that will be created right over here as well for anybody to be able to use. And as we continue to walk around this corner, we're going to be adding another wonderful thing to the building. We'll be adding a second elevator, and that second elevator will give us access to the second-story library in the library addition. During spring break, when construction begins, once again, there will be a temporary wall that will be put up, a construction wall that will go all the way to the entrance of the cafeteria. We will still have free-flowing access to the hallways. And again, right here will be a creation of an elevator going up to the second floor. And then the final portion of the renovations to the LGI, right here where this painting will be an entrance to another classroom. So we will be adding a full classroom right on the back end of the LGI that sort of connects right next to the cafeteria. So that concludes the portion of the construction project for the LGI. Now we're going to move up to the library. And now one of the more exciting portions of the renovation project that will impact our students, our staff, and our community the most will be our major renovation to the library. So in the library, we are going to be creating 4 new classrooms. We're going to be creating 5 new small breakout rooms. We're going to be creating a new tech area. We'll be creating another offices to help support our staff. In addition to the second-story entryway to the elevator, we'll also be adding 2 more single-use bathrooms up in the library. So I want to walk you through this, and you're going to have to do a ton of imagination and look at some of the renderings in the designs to be able to see this. But we're really, really excited about how great this will be for our students, our staff, and our community. So come on with me. So if you can imagine, as we are walking up the ramp here into the library, off to my right and to my left, we will be adding 2 new classrooms, 2 full-size classrooms that will be able to accommodate up to 30 students in each one of those classrooms. And as we continue off into the rest of the library, you can see that our library is being used as a study hall in an area where students are going to be. But off to my left, we are going to have, beyond this space, we're going to be tearing down that tech area, and we're going to be creating a new tech area there. We're actually going to be knocking these walls down over here, and we're going to extend this wall all the way to the end of this library space. Right now we have a department area and a small classroom that are in there. We're going to be removing those. We're going to be creating 3 offices there. In addition, past here, we'll be creating 2 restrooms over there, single-use restrooms. And as you look in the far corner of our library over there, we'll be adding in a classroom over there. We'll have 2 small breakout rooms over there. We'll have 2 small breakout rooms right here. Again, you got to do a lot of imagination here as the spaces are being created. And then over past those bookshelves over there, we have where our current student services area is. We'll have another small conference breakout room, and our student services or special ed department offices will be over there. And then right where that whiteboard is over there is, you have to visualize, that'll be the entrance to the second story of our elevator. All together, we're going to be having and creating an awesome new library experience, more classrooms, more breakout rooms, and greater spaces for our students and staff to work. So thank you so much on joining me on this visual tour. Have a great day and go Tigers.